green portions are the national parks. So you will notice we've only got a few green spaces, but they're under so much pressure from encroachment because of the development, farming activities, the making of charcoal, the cutting down of trees for timber. So our key interest is in, of course, the South Luangwa National Park, which in my opinion is the best national park in Zambia and Africa. And I'm not being biased because we're here, but I'll try and back that up with some facts. Yeah, so it's the best because it was declared as a sustainable national park a few years ago, the best one in Africa. It's the best because the walking safari first started from here with Tom and Car. It's the best because it's got a huge population of wildlife. If you want to see the big five, this is the place where you do it.
North Luangwa rhino.
Well, the rhino is not Luangwa. Okay, yes, not Luangwa. Over here, South Luangwa, over here. Yeah, but it's basically one ecosystem. Yeah. So we are very much interested in this ecosystem because there are a lot of people moving into this area because they want to farm. Mostly it's the Chewa people coming in to operate in this area. Because of the tourism, it's also a hotspot. Yes, a hotspot. So many people coming in. So this district, Mambwe district, is actually pre-COVID. It was the fastest growing district in Eastern Province. So automatically, when you have a lot of people coming in, it means a huge interaction with the ecosystem, with the wildlife. So there is need for mindset change and finding various ways of protecting the ecosystems here. Yeah, so when we move from there to this other map, which is like a magnification of that, currently we are right here where this big star is, that black cross there. And you'll notice we have the Lupande GMA over there and a number of forests. We have the national park there. So it lets you know the delicate balance that's there between the settlements and the protected areas. And the protected areas are definitely under a lot of duress and pressure. So there is need to help people change their perceptions and values so that they change the way they see their relationships with the ecosystems and the environment. So this is like a bit of a map presentation of why we're doing what we're doing and where exactly we are. Yeah.
So do each of the national parks have a GMA around them as well?
Yes, all of them.
All of the national parks.
It's compulsory that they have the GMA.
And that just acts as a space between
Buffer zone.
yeah.
So people can live.
Yeah.
They just live sheep and jowl right up to the boundary
Yeah.
of the national park.
Where occasionally hunting maybe lions in the buffer zone.
Yeah, we've got two trophy hunting blocks in this Upper Lapandi and Lower Lapandi. So again, it's this mixed, sustainable, consumptive, non-consumptive tourism model at the moment.
Living alongside.
That's why I'm wearing my t-shirt saying, "Ban it."
Yes, on the active. And
So in terms of located here, I mean, you didn't have too many options straight away, and you've obviously got a year to work out what you plan to do, but how is this located for the work that you wish to do?
the location is perfect.
Okay.
You know, this is a valley area, and because of that, it means the soils in certain areas are not very good. This particular area where we are, the soils are rich, but in other spaces, the soils are not so good. Most of them are acidic because of the water that seeps the minerals down. So we're trying to help to see how those poor soils can be regenerated. And as I mentioned earlier, we're trying to see how these ecosystems that have been diminished can be resuscitated and help that feeds into the GMAs and the national park. Yeah, I was just being told by Triumph, like I mentioned, the Chewas that come in, they're a huge farming tribe, but their farming practices are not sustainable. So a lot of people around are complaining, like, these practices have to be changed. So it's about mindset change and engaging them, and offering alternatives